So, now we've learnt the basics of what we can do with our mouse, like we say, zoom in, rotate. We're then going to start drawing our chamfer on the front, or adding our chamfer on. Again, I'm just going to click on that top one, just to get it in the orientation I quite like using. And it's dead easy this, so we're just going to basically put a chamfer, this sloped edge, on the front here. If you've rotated it and you think, oh, I'm not sure which edge it is, down the bottom here there's some a measurement tool, so this looks like a tape measure. Again, if you hover over it, go orange, you can see that that's actually the 70mm length. And if I click off that and then click on the next one, you'll see that's the 60mm length. So it gives you, if you're unsure about what measurement is or what side you're on, you can always check it with that measurement tool. So we want to draw it on the 70mm long. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to go along these top toolbars here. Again, you've got one that says fillet, that's basically like a rounded edge, and the next one to it is a chamfer. So it's exactly what we did with the plane. So we're going to click on chamfer. We then need to tell it which edge we want to chamfer. So hover over it, goes orange, click it. You'll see at the moment, again, it's automatically defaulted and set to a 5mm chamfer. We're just going to change that to 15. Again, you don't need to type in millimeters if you've set your units up correctly in the first place. So once I do the little green box, you'll see it's starting to look a little bit like the cab that we actually made in school. So obviously the difference is that our cab wasn't blue. So what we're going to do, we're just going to add a appearance to that. We'll click on that. You'll see at the moment it's just a blue colour. All we then do to change that is double click. I'm going to look for a suitable wood colour. I tend to use this top one there. And all you then do, once you've changed the colour of it, click on the green tick. Close that, and then we've got our 3D model of our cab. If you wanted to, you can actually get rid of or hide these work planes because they're sometimes a bit annoying. So again, if you just sort of hover over it, right click, you can then either remove that one, remove the right plane, or hide all is the obvious one. You remove that, and you can actually get rid of your origin as well if you want to. So again, if it goes orange, right click and click hide, so you can just get a perfect view of your front cab.